Hi there, welcome to West Kelowna Plumbers. It's question day, and the question is, how do I make sure that my HVAC system is going to last a long time? Well, it's a pretty simple question. The main thing is changing filters. You have to stay on top of changing the filters. It's also a great idea to have a programmable thermostat on there. Above and beyond that, closing the curtains in the summertime when you guys aren't in the rooms to keep it nice and cool. Same thing in the winter. Those are great ways to improve the efficiency of your system and make it last just a little bit longer. Of course, if you're in a situation where your system is not quite the way you'd like it to be, it's no longer performing as it was, then give us a call. We'll be happy to send somebody out there and help you. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for your questions.